In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode for your WordPress dashboard. Dark mode is easier on the eyes, especially when working at night, and it gives your dashboard a clean, modern look. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen where your name is displayed. Hover over it and click on Edit Profile from the drop-down menu. You can also access the same page by clicking Users on the left menu and then selecting Profile. Both methods will take you to your profile settings. On the profile page, scroll down until you find the section called Admin Color Scheme. This area lets you customize how your WordPress dashboard looks. Browse through the available options and select the dark color scheme. As soon as you click it, you'll see a live preview of the dark mode applied to your dashboard. After selecting dark, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Update Profile button. This step is important because your changes will not be saved unless you update your profile. Once saved, your WordPress dashboard will instantly switch to dark mode. You'll notice softer colors that reduce eye strain and make long work sessions more comfortable. If you ever want to switch back or try a different color scheme, simply return to your profile page and choose another option. That's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode in WordPress and customize your workspace for a better experience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.